If you're new here, my name is Sydney Nicole, and today I am finally giving you the apartment tour that I said I was going to give you like a month and a half ago. I actually filmed the whole apartment tour like 3 weeks ago and just haven't gotten around to doing this sit down intro and outro. So if you're wondering why there's some Halloween decorations in the apartment tour, it's because it was actually filmed in the beginning of October. Yes, it is now November. I know. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button or check out some of my other videos. I've done so many amazing try-on hauls lately. If you haven't seen them yet, you're going to want to check them out. I teamed up with a bunch of different brands. I have discount codes for y'all, so if you haven't seen any of those recent videos, they'll be down in the description below. Check them out, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. But without further ado, let's just get right into this apartment tour. Okay, so this is when you walk in the door. Right away, we have our big staircase, and this door is to the garage. There's my car. Pro tip, put a key ring right next to your garage door and you'll never lose your keys. Before I had this thing, I was losing my keys literally every day. I could never find them. So that's literally amazing. Okay, so now we have this massive staircase, which is fun, except when we're bringing groceries in, then it's like, oh my gosh. So at the top of our stairs, we have this little area right here where we have some shoes, we can have some coats, there's a little welcome sign. It's kind of boring right now because we don't really have our jackets out yet. And then we have the kitchen. So we just have a few little bar stools here. We have this jar with these little cookies in it. And I definitely got inspiration from Khloe Kardashian to stack the cookies like this. I think it looks so cool. I don't know, I love it. But this is our kitchen. It's so cute. I really love our kitchen. There's just so much space. And right here we have a door to our patio. So we don't really have anything out here yet. We haven't gotten any furniture yet. We're hoping to get like a little table chair set, and yeah, our Halloween lights look kind of janky right now. Just don't talk about it. The outlet's over here and we wanted them here and we're just not gonna talk about it. So this is our view. We got a little backyard. It's really cute. So that's our little patio. And next to that, we have a little guest bathroom. Just a cute little bathroom for our guests on the main level. And it has this pocket door, which is so nice. It saves so much space and it's just really cute. Okay, so we'll go through the kitchen really quick. There's not too much. We have our Keurig here, some mugs. Our little butter dish is so cute. I love it. This utensils holder, our toaster oven. If you don't have a toaster oven, I'm just telling you right now, this is my favorite thing in the kitchen. Literally everything tastes good in the toaster oven. If you have leftovers, especially from restaurants, don't microwave them. No, that's not it. It won't taste good. Put it in the toaster oven. It crisps everything up so perfectly. Just do it. This toaster oven was $20 at Walmart and it makes your food so good. So this is our fridge. We got a little whiteboard shopping list from Target. This thing's amazing. So much better than a paper shopping list. You're not wasting paper and it's just so cute that it's marble. And then this door is our pantry. So we have so much food in here. I am so obsessed with these Tupperware containers. Okay, let me just show you, okay? This is crazy. This is insane. Yes, this is a loaf of bread. I have my bread in a container, but here's why, okay? I'm not kidding you. This bread has been in here since we moved in, and this thing is like an airtight container with this little lock here. There's no mold on this bread. Like, how is that even possible? It's crazy. These things are amazing. Got them from Walmart. You can buy them individually or in sets. Obviously, I got a bunch of sets because I have a ton. But yeah, that's our pantry. So that is pretty much it for our kitchen. It's literally the perfect size for me and my roommate. It's just the two of us here, so it's the perfect size. I love it so much. Oh, let me show you. I almost forgot, okay? We have to turn off all the lights for this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it as well because it's daylight outside. You already know what I'm doing. But look at how cool it looks. I literally, you can't tell me that doesn't look sick. Okay, I know that it's daylight out, so like it's not as sick as it could be, but when it's dark out and we got these lights going, it is so sick. It is such a vibe. Yeah, I love it. Shout out to my dad for setting that up. Okay, we can turn the lights back on now. So over here, we have this high top table. Oh, as you can tell, we have all of our little fall decorations out, the pumpkins, this little happy fall decoration. And over on the window, we have more Halloween decorations, but we'll get to that. So we have our high top table here. I love a high top so much more than like a regular height table. I think it's just a more casual feel. It doesn't feel like you're like sitting down at like a formal table when you eat dinner. We hang out here and do our homework so much. When we have people over, we're sitting at the table a lot of the time. It's just the perfect height for a college apartment. So this whole set is from IKEA. And then we have this cube organizer over here. I think it's from Walmart. We still need to get some decorations for the top, but it's still a work in progress. And then we have these mirrors on the wall. These were each $6 from Walmart. Such a steal for these mirrors. It gives such a contemporary vibe. I'm so for the simple decorations. And obviously we have like a lot of square shapes in the apartment, so I think it goes really well with that. And then we have like the living room area over here. This ottoman is amazing because it actually opens up, and this is where we store all of our throw blankets. And we just got some cute little decor on this table here. And oh, and up here, I love this yoga girl so much. I think we got her at TJ Maxx. Actually, I think both of these things are from TJ Maxx. So cute. And then this little cube thing has different sayings all around it. Ooh, stay focused. I need that right now. So just a cute little simple decor. And then we have this lantern over here, which is awesome for when it gets darker outside. We just click on the lantern, and usually those cool kitchen lights, and it's literally such a vibe in here. And then we have some Halloween decorations up. These are so fun. We got all the decorations at Walmart. And then we have these little sparkly ottoman things down here. These are each from Five Below, and they're just so fun. They've got all these sparkles in them, and they're really nice when we have people over. We usually like pull them over here and sit down around the ottoman if we're like having a game night or something. Or I also bring these out onto the patio all the time to sit out there when it's nice out because we don't have furniture out there yet. We have this awesome TV and built-in thing here. So that is it for down here. So let's go upstairs. So the first door up here is my roommate Riley's room right here. And then this is just a little storage closet that we keep all of our cleaning stuff in. Over here we have our little washer and dryer area. And then this is my room. So here's a little overview of my room. So let's start over here. I have this amazing super tall mirror from IKEA. This is literally the best mirror ever. It's so tall, so wide. Yeah, I've always loved this mirror. I've had this for a few years and they still sell it. It's literally the best big mirror ever. And then over here I have my huge floor to ceiling curtains that are also from IKEA. I swear everything in here is from IKEA. And this is my closet. So we'll give you a little quick closet tour. So over here I have all my purses on the shelf up here. I have this little area with my sunglass holder that I'm obsessed with. This is from Amazon. I think it's just such a fun way to display your sunglasses. It looks so bougie, and it's just like a really good way to see all the sunglasses you have without like throwing them in a drawer or anything. And then this is just one of my comfy robes that I have in a bin here. I have some command strips with some masks, and then my dresser, which just holds like a bunch of random clothes and stuff. And then I pretty much have all of my clothes just hung up right here in front. Like literally all of my shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, long sleeves, everything is just hung up. And of course it's color coordinated. That's my biggest tip for organizing a closet. If you feel like your closet's just not looking organized, literally just try color coordinating everything and it'll look so much better. It's crazy. Also, getting all the same hangers is one of the best tips for making your closet look more organized. All of these hangers were super cheap. They came in packs from Walmart, so it is actually super affordable to get matching hangers, especially at Walmart. That's probably the best place to get them, I would say. And then I just have some miscellaneous bins up here, mainly just like swimsuits and summer stuff since that's not really in season right now. And I have some shoes over here, and then all of my pants are pretty much in this organizer. So black jeans, blue jeans, sweatpants, and then more miscellaneous pants, skirts, leggings over here. And oh my gosh, I love these laundry bins so much. That's such like a weird thing, I feel like, but these are honestly like the best laundry bins. They were each $5 from IKEA, and they're just awesome. They're super sturdy, which is one thing that I've had a problem with laundry bins, I guess, is them like falling over. I don't really know. They also have a lid, so if you don't want to see your laundry, it's super nice. And I have two of them because I like to separate my darks and lights right when I take my clothes off. So this is my dark bin and that's my light bin. So when I go to do laundry, I can just grab the bin, throw the whole thing in the wash, and I don't have to think about separating my dirty clothes. And then I just have some shoes down on this organizer and on that one over there. And that is pretty much my whole closet. So next to that, I have these mirrors. If you watched my last room tour video, I made these back when I did that almost a year ago, actually. And these are the same mirrors as the black ones that I have downstairs from Walmart. So they were each like $6. And then I made these designer decals for them. I hand cut these. It was a whole DIY process, but they turned out so cute. They just add such a bougie touch to the room. And below that, I have my little fluffy chair and fluffy pillow. This is such a comfy chair. It's actually a kid's chair from Target, but it's super comfy and I think it fits literally perfectly in that spot. Then I have this little cube thing here. This just holds all of my like winter hats and scarves and stuff. I have a purse on top of it. And then I have my bed here. My bed frame is from IKEA. This is the best bed frame ever, guys, because it has 4 massive drawers on the side. So this thing has so much storage. It's unreal. And then on my bed, these pillowcases I just got when I moved in. They're from Amazon. They're so soft. They're such fun, big pillows. And it gives a little fun touch to my bed because the whole rest of it is white. And I was like, oh, that's so boring. So these are super fun. And this is my little stuffed animal. Her name is Pooch, and she's so cute. And next to my bed, I have an IKEA nightstand. The light on here is also from IKEA. This little succulent, it's fake, but it's from IKEA. I love this thing. This is actually like one of my favorite things in my room is this little succulent for whatever reason. And then I have this oil diffuser from Target and this cute little cactus that I put my rings and jewelry on at night if I'm still wearing them when I get into bed. So next to my bed, I have this clothes rack. This is just hanging all of my fall jackets right now. I typically switch out what I put on this rack depending on the season. So in the summer, I had a bunch of fun tank tops and tees on here. Now that we're in the fall, I have all of my cozy fall jackets to throw on over stuff. And I also have a few purses hanging over here. as well as some shoes on the rack. So next to my clothes rack, I have my desk. I have all these little Polaroids above my desk. A lot of these pictures are me and my family or friends. Otherwise, the quotes are all pictures that I found on Pinterest. On my desk, I have a little bamboo plant, a little light up sign, a cute little flower decoration, my speaker, and this awesome organizing lamp that also has built-in charging ports. This thing is so sick. So I have it plugged in underneath my desk. So then I can just plug in my phone charger here. It has like a regular outlet plug here. So when I'm using stuff at my desk, I don't have to like try and plug it in underneath. I can just plug it into the lamp. So awesome. So that lamp is from Target, and this desk is so fun. So this middle part actually opens up, and it's super messy in here, so like don't look at that. But I have all of these pictures on here, so it looks super cute when you lift it up. And then I just have my fun chair and fluffy pillow. This chair was literally $25 from IKEA, and it is the comfiest chair I have ever sat in. I'm trying not to be dramatic, but it is so comfy. It's wide enough that I can even sit crisscross applesauce in this chair, and like, I love that. I love that so much. It's so comfy. Literally the best desk chair I have ever owned. So that is that little area of my room. Then over here, I have my little TV stand. I just have some cute decor on this, as well as some baskets with honestly who knows what. These are pretty much just junk drawers, but I have a bunch of cute little decor pieces on here, some candles, some books, and my TV. Then over here I have my bathroom. I have my robes hanging up here on command hooks, and this is my little vanity area. So by my sink, I have these amazing acrylic organizers. I have this one here. I have stacking ones over here with my ponytail holders and some earrings. And these are just so pretty. I love them so much. They came in a set from Target. So I have them up on my vanity. And then I also have a ton of these organizers in my drawers holding my makeup and stuff. They're the perfect size. They match everything because they're just clear and they're so pretty. And on the other side here, I have these amazing command hook organizers for my jewelry. I think these are actually supposed to be like key hooks, but I've had these for a few years and I've always used them to hang my jewelry. I think they just look so pretty with jewelry on them. And it's such a good way to see all your necklaces, not have them get tangled. And I think it just looks so cute. So then this door goes into our shared bathroom area. So we have the shower here, some cabinet space, toilet, and then this door goes into my roommate's side of her vanity. So it's the exact same vanity sink thing on her side, and then it goes into her room too. So it's like a Jack and Jill type situation, which is so fun. We have these doors open most of the time so we can get ready together. We can talk while we're each sitting in our rooms and the doors are open, which is super fun. And that is it for the bathroom. And that is it for my room and my apartment tour. That's the whole thing. Okay, so that was my whole apartment tour. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, check out some of my other videos in the description and at the end of this video. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!